Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the right tools: a flexible tape, a thin string, a marker, and a ruler or caliper for millimeter accuracy. Measure the wrist or finger where you intend to wear the Kada. This is essential because approach differs for finger versus wrist. Wrap the tape or string snugly, not tight. You want the comfortable fit. Once done, mark and convert the length to millimeters. This gives circumference, and note it. These two values are the foundation for the next step. Now convert the circumference into an internal diameter so you can compare directly to Kada specs. Divide the circumference by pi, use 3/14 for quick work. This tells you the internal size the Kada should have. Next, compare that diameter to the manufacturer's internal measurement. Make sure to allow about 1 to 3 millimeters of tolerance for comfort and material thickness. If you have a caliper, measure the internal opening at several points and average them to finish by trying a sample or a similarly sized Kada. Assess rotation, any pressure points, and how it feels when you bend your wrist or hand. If it feels tight, increase the internal diameter by 1 to 3 millimeters. If loose, test the next snugger size or consider a slip guard. If the Kada is oval, size by the largest diameter so it slides on without catching. Finally, if you experience swelling, choose an adjustable or open-style Kada. This prevents discomfort and ensures long-term wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.